Give thanks for Thanksgiving leftovers, like extra mashed potatoes, please, and significantly less dirty dishes to clean. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. And today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, one pan is all you need to make this family favorite, Stovetop Shepherd's Pie. First, brown 1 pound of lean ground beef in a large sauté pan. Stir in 2 packages of frozen Hy-Vee mixed vegetables, a 1/4 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of dried chopped onions. Reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. New research shows that following a Mediterranean-style eating pattern, including fresh lean beef, can help lower heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Next, stir in 1 can of Hy-Vee condensed tomato soup, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a 1/4 teaspoon of Hy-Vee dried thyme. On top of the meat mixture, I'm going to drop in leftover mashed potato mounds and sprinkle with a 1/2 cup of Hy-Vee shredded cheddar cheese. Potatoes pack a powerful nutritional punch containing more potassium than a banana, which supports healthy blood pressure, as well as vitamins A and C. Cover the pan to melt the cheese and simmer for about 5 minutes or until the mixture is heated all the way through. And don't forget to get your flu shot at your Hy-Vee pharmacy and earn a 20-cent fuel saver. Plus, save time and get your COVID-19 vaccination and flu shot together in one appointment. Schedule your appointment online today at Hy-Vee.com.